Welcome back to Motor Nation. Today we're talking about the all-new 2025 Toyota Kijang Super, a legendary MPV that's been completely redesigned for the modern era. Toyota has taken the trusted Kijang DNA and given it a bold new identity, more powerful, more premium, and more connected than ever before. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kijang Super looks elegant yet dynamic. The front design features a wide chrome grille with slim LED headlights that give it a strong and futuristic look. The bumper is sculpted, and the air intakes have been reshaped for better aerodynamics. In this white color, the design lines pop beautifully under showroom lights, making it look like a luxury SUV rather than a traditional MPV. The large Toyota badge sits proudly in the center, and on the number plate, you'll see it clearly labeled, 2025 Toyota Kijang Super. Move to the side, and you'll notice the flowing body lines and chrome accents along the windows that add a premium touch. The 18-inch alloy wheels complete the bold stance, while the slightly raised ride height gives it a confident look on the road. At the back, Toyota has added a sleek LED taillight bar that connects both sides, giving it a wide and modern presence. The rear bumper design is clean and minimal, with a subtle spoiler that adds sportiness. The steering itself is flat-bottomed with mounted controls for everything from music to adaptive cruise control. The dashboard design feels minimal yet premium, with soft touch panels and ambient LED lighting giving a relaxing mood at night. The seats are wide and supportive, perfect for long family trips. You get 3 rows of seating, with flexible configurations for luggage and passengers. The second row slides and reclines, while the third row folds flat to create a massive cargo area when needed. Toyota has worked hard on ride comfort and sound insulation in this model. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, thanks to better door seals and improved suspension tuning. Under the hood, the 2025 Kijang Super comes with a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, producing around 180 horsepower combined. It's smooth, responsive, and fuel-efficient, giving you the power you need without compromising on economy. The CVT automatic transmission offers a seamless drive, while Toyota's hybrid system ensures instant torque from the electric motor. On the highway, it feels stable and confident, and in the city, it glides quietly with electric assistance at low speeds. Safety has also been upgraded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. With these features, the Kijang Super stands among the safest MPVs in its class. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Kijang Super is expected to start around $29,000 to $35,000, depending on the variant and options. Considering its heritage, comfort, and technology, it's a fantastic value for families and professionals alike. The Kijang name has always stood for reliability, and now, with its modern powertrain and luxurious design, it's ready for a whole new generation. The 2025 Toyota Kijang Super truly earns its Super title. It's more stylish, more advanced, and more powerful than ever. This is Motor Nation, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.